Hi, I'm Miles' dad, and he would like to unbox something new from the train store.
So I got this New Year's Central card from Pete's and this. There we go. And I earned this by doing chores to get money so I could buy this. Kind of tricky to unbox this, I guess.
There you go.
Here it is.
Okay, and what is that exactly?
So this is the green New Year's Central card for the Polar Express.
Okay, can we get a close-up? Oh, not that close. Wow.
Yeah.
Amazing.
And the thing got seats, and I believe the top part comes off so we can have some people sitting in the car.
Okay,
Now,
let's give her a go.
first I'll open the present from here.
Oh, okay.
What's this?
Oh, sorry.
Aw. Is that from
What
Pete's?
does it
Yeah.
say? Oh, is it a light switch?
It
Like
is.
or a plate cover? Oh my.
Are we gonna have to put that in your room?
Yeah.
Oh, he's got the planet one upstairs, so
We're gonna have to figure something out.
Where's the train room? Switch up the plate on the train room.
Or Dad.
Go ahead.
Miles, come in, Curve.
There is one right above that bastion that even though it doesn't work. See?
Yeah, I see it.
That would look good.
That would look good.
So
What is it?
now let's
Which train is it?
so this is pause the screen and don't drive the camera. This is the Polar Express and number is 1235 and I even run it once to show how it runs in a video called Running All My Steam Trains. So and something super needs this bus station I've decided to put by the tracks. It's a little too big for scale. Oh, I'm trying to.
Oh, sure.
And
Okay.
like that. See? So this is a Santa sled with some gifts and a candy cane inside.
Ooh.
Did you get that for Christmas?
Yep, I got this for Christmas, and here's Santa sitting on a present
Oh.
with someone. And another Santa,
What's he got on his back?
and she's even got the sack on his back. And basically same Santa, though he's not walking.
And are they were a special type of Santa, weren't they? They were Santa?
These two are Santa representatives, whereas this one I actually did something neat with and decided to put him and his sleigh on the Polar Express's tender. I'll back it up a little closer. Oh no, Dad!
Okay.
I'm back.
Ready?
This one's just face down, but okay.
Maybe try the one where he's sitting.
So, now let's take this for downstairs run.
Now that we're downstairs, we're going to create a Christmas train, and we'll start off by having our ski lift run for you to enjoy.
We down the hill we go. I know. So this is a train car that has a reindeer with Santa and his sleigh on the Christmas train. And they're sorting through some piles of presents. Over here is a CSX rail car that inside these containers are a bunch of presents. So now let's do top down view over here. We've got pouches of presents that are being carried by a forklift. There's a reindeer, Christmas tree, and someone not quite sure what he's done vegan yet. And we've got a Christmas carrot and Christmas carrot for snacks for the present for the people who are sorting through presents will be there soon. And I checked out the way this Baltimore and Ohio hopper car to pin a Christmas tree, and it seems like the front wheels have derailed. So next up is a John Deere box tow holding fragile presents, and a baggage car, mostly for people's Christmas presents to be sorted. And light up Baltimore and Ohio car. I'm actually going to take it off the rails so you can see inside.
Ooh.
See, there's lights on the ceiling, so that's makes the lights go on. And last, I'm just going to quickly run the train forward.
Oh, yeah, sure.
Is the last car is called the present car, and it's full of activities. See, we've got a whole bunch of people there sorting through all these presents to be sent out. And let me just run the Christmas train forward so you guys can see the other one. Here he comes. There's quite bright light inside.
As he comes through Teddyville.
And yeah.
Mm-hmm.
So,
And away we go.
and off goes Conrail. I know let's like this goes out. What? Oh, and there's a kid saying They're by the snow. Having some fun in the snow.
Oh, here it comes.
Oh, derailed. And being Christmas train as it hits the dead spot. It's right, it has just entered Teddyville. And into the winter tunnel.
Other way.
And Dad, you want to show the Teddyville water?
Oh, look. It lit up.
Dad, you want to show them the... And that's our Teddyville water. Go.
Arlo. Okay, ready?
And all clear to the fiddle yard. All clear to the fiddle yard. And back we go.
And slow down.